So today class we will see about variables in Java. So how to prepare variable? First of all, what is variable? First of all, what is variable? We try to understand what is variable. Okay, any programming language, variable is a container. Variable is a container. So what is the container means? It can able to hold. It can able to hold. It can able to hold any kind of data. It can able to hold any kind of data. Okay, so and variable is custom defined name. Custom defined name. You can specify whatever the name you want. That is why actually reason I'm writing like custom defined. After that, okay, so variable name should have some rules and regulations. Variable name should have some rules and regulations. What are the rules for the variable name? Okay, the first rule is, okay, let me write step by step. Variable name should not start with a number. Should not start with a number. And the second rule is variable name should not contain any special character. Variable name should not contain any special character. Third rule is variable name should not be a Java keyword. Okay, so you can search for Java keywords. There are multiple Java keywords you can find. Okay, so let me find Java keywords. You can search for Java keywords here. So there are multiple Java keywords you can be able to find. So these keywords you cannot give as variable name. Okay, so keywords, let me give the keywords list. Okay, so can I get some keywords like this? Okay, keyword called abstract, keyword called asset, keyword called boolean, keyword called break, keyword called byte, keyword called case, keyword called cache. Okay, so like this, there are a number of keywords which are going to be available. So you can just go with the documentation for the Java. You can find out a list of keywords. Okay, let me go with oracle.com. Now you can see these are the specific keywords you cannot use as a variable name. Whatever the keywords which are going to be available here, these keywords you don't use as a variable name. Don't use a super as a keyword, variable name. Don't use a native as a variable name. Don't use a float as a variable name. Don't use a void as a variable name. Don't use a try as a variable name. Don't use a while as a variable name. So do not use any keyword as a variable name. That is the one important. So that is the why reason I'm just writing like that. Variable name should not be a keyword. And the fourth important rule is variable name should not contain any special character. Contain spaces. Okay, so spaces you don't give for the variable name. So special characters, what are the different kind of special characters? Suppose something like this. So don't give variable name like this. Don't insert any special characters inside the variable names. Okay, so don't insert any special characters as a variable names. Okay, don't use like this. And do not go for this one, and do not use this one. Do not use this one. These are the special characters. Don't use any special character in variable name. That is the one important point. And variable name should not be a keyword, Java keyword. So Java keyword as a char, Java keyword as int, Java keyword as if, Java keyword as void, Java keyword as something like for, Java keyword as something like while. Okay, these are the keywords. There are multiple keywords. Okay, there are multiple keywords. If you want, I will copy paste the keywords, complete keywords here. Do not use any keywords as variable names. I'm just copying and pasting the all keywords here. Do not use these keywords as a variables. Do not use these keywords as a variable names. That is the third point, important point. And fourth point, variable name should not contain spaces. Okay. For example, I want to prepare a variable name, something like this. First name or product space name. Okay. Or my space name. Okay, or first number. So do not create a variable name like this. Don't provide spaces for the variable names. If you are providing the space for the variable name, automatically you will get a compiler. And fifth rule, variable name should allow one special character, called underscore. Underscore. That is something like this. Underscore is allowed. For example, if I want to create a variable name like this, okay, this will be allowed. If I want to create a variable name like this will be allowed. If I want to create a variable name like this will be allowed. Whenever you want to, when you provide underscore, underscore is allowed. Okay, for example, my name underscore or first underscore. Underscore is there. Underscore is allowed. Second underscore. Okay, so these will be allowed. These will be allowed. That's the fifth point. But underscore is a special character, but underscore have some special category kind of variable names. Whenever you want to provide where underscore, you can provide it. It is not a giving issue. Okay, so this is the very important thing about variables, and we will see practically how variables will be worked out in the coming program.